major of a milestone are these space flights by these billionaire founders over the coming weeks?
It's a big deal, and, it's a great time to be investing in the space economy. I mean, as you mentioned, this is 20 years of effort that's all coming to fruition at the same time by multiple companies. So, these flights, the human space flights are incredibly important to generate public awareness of what's going on and all of the incredible progress that's happening. But, for us, and the real opportunity here for investors is really in the data.
All right, so when you talk about data, I think about two different names that announced they're going to go public via SPAC mergers this week, Satellogic and also Planet, which I believe you're an investor in. When we talk about data and the monetizable opportunities, the investable opportunities there, what does that look like?
Yeah, I mean, we've been operating in space for decades, and we've had satellites in orbit that have been generating incredibly valuable data about our planet. Large legacy systems, highly capable, but it's been in a very limited market. A handful of defense contractors on one side and the government as a customer on the other. And so everything that was built has been built for these very sophisticated customers. And what Planet and what Satellogic and others are doing is really making this data more accessible. In the 2010s, cloud computing really reshaped enterprise, but satellites, for the most part, did not participate in that. Today, you've got Microsoft and Amazon, and basically all of big tech is alert and aware of the opportunity in space data. They're all trying to get this Earth observation data onto their cloud for the storage and the compute, and for all the value-added services on top of that. So they're really removing the complexity from the system and making it accessible for not just governments, but businesses and consumers to tap into this really valuable data set.
So just to shift back to human spaceflight and this idea of commercial space tourism for a moment, so much attention is focused on the so-called billionaire space race. Branson, Bezos, Musk, who does something totally different. He does the orbital flights with the Dragon crew capsule that are coming up later this year as well. I mean, how big is the total addressable market for actual space tourism? Is it something that you would be putting money to work in right now?
So it's a very interesting question, and it's just one of many categories within the space economy that we're monitoring and looking at. And I think a lot of people are comparing Bezos and Branson here because you've got two suborbital flights that are launching, in the next week and a half. So that's very interesting. But actually, the ambitions of Blue Origin are much more comparable to SpaceX and what they're trying to do. So this is just one piece of what Blue Origin is doing, these suborbital flights. They're also looking at larger rockets for launch. They have hiring job recs out for orbital habitat designers. They're really interested in a lot of these larger projects, human lander systems for the moon. They're in a fight right now with SpaceX to try and get some of that budget from Congress to support Blue Origin. And so the comparison is really more between Blue Origin, Bezos, and Musk at SpaceX, although, progress is a very different story. But no, I mean, space tourism and human spaceflight is really taking off. So this week is a big week in the suborbital flights, but you've got SpaceX has multiple orbital flights launched. The Inspiration 4 mission, they've launched 2 crewed missions for NASA. They have more missions booked, all commercial, fully private missions later this year and into the next 2 years, as well as a trip that's booked to fly someone around the moon. So this is really an interesting time where we're seeing it all come together.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.